back there, oh boy, 4 and 5 foot swells and stuff getting here. And I am out there. I'm going to swivel around again. A little bit of, you want to call it selfie. You can see in the background, pivot around, how far out I am. There's the ship, the Zuiderdam, and wow, I am definitely out here. Racing boat, background. Pivot this around, and there we are. One of those racing boats that just went by. Okay, this is where it gets really very intense. Very intense to be up this close. And I'm not even zoomed in with this thing. This is awesome. This is worth the trip. I mean, from my house out here, it's at least like 3 miles. But the ocean's it's calmed down a bit. I just have to be careful of the wakes from boats. But yeah, I am impressed. Holy moly! Incredible. I mean, the biggest thing is the wake from like this guy who just went by me. Oh, wow! Nope, another wow moment. This gets your blood going. Get the heart pumping, which is doing all right. Yeah. Oh, he's just looking at this thing from a kayak. I don't know, it's wild. Oh my God. Oh my God, it is incredible. Holy crap. My God, it's like a floating city. The thing is so incredible. Wow. It was worth the kayak trip. Took me a while. Oh my God, I can't even fit the boat in the whole frame. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. Wow. Let's go talk to these guys. It's like the incredible. Hey! Oh yeah. Nice ship. Beautiful. I had to kayak 3 miles to get here. Yep, I gotcha. Well, let's say this is pretty close. 52 trips this year. I started in March. Today is 8/9 September. And look what I'm in front of. The Zuiderdam. Boy, I hope they don't start the props. so big I can't even fit it in the video. Pivot a little bit. I am like right next to it. Paddled out here. Let's pivot this camera up. There you go. Okay. This is crazy. I must have been insane. Come on. Oh crap. Yeah, well, I'm not insane. I'm just living my life. Alright, so I got a few waves around me. Probably people that perform CPR too, so I'm okay. Oh, whoa. All that rowing, and I make it to Holland. Amazing. Incredible. Shut this off for a minute. Wait. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get back. This looks like a boat. Not gonna be easy. I gotta get out of here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, I gotta break now. I gotta go now. I gotta get out of here. I gotta go. I gotta paddle like a son of a bitch. Get out of here. This is not going to be easy. Oh yeah. Right in the middle of the channel. Alright, if I could just... I got a good break. I'm gonna head for the adventure. Some fishing boats coming right now. There's one. If I can get 500 yards across this pipe, out of the main channel, it should be okay. It's the big wicks. Oh yeah, trip number 52. And this is where it's got to pay off. I'm paddling like a son of a you-know-what. I got fishing boats coming down on me on the right. Pretty good chop. The boat's handling it fine, but I gotta get out of this channel. 100 more yards or so. I'll be okay. Already starting to get calmer water. But again, I got a fishing boat comes down on me on the right. Woo! Oh yeah. I'm slowing down now. I'm slowing down. Woo! I am out here. Oh, I'm all right. Okay. Whew. All right, that boat's behind me, so I just have to worry about the slop coming behind me, because there's been some like 4 or 5 foot waves, and you know, you don't want to get swamped. But you can feel the currents out here. Deep, you know, the water's deep. Pivot the camera a little bit. This is how far out I am. Believe me, when you're out here in a kayak, you feel it. Okay. Woo! The waters are calming down a little bit. That got a little weird. You know, you got a cruise ship. I'll pivot around here. Let's see. I was right next to it. There was a lot of chop right back there. I'll zoom in a little bit. Anyway, I'm going to shut this